Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very interesting recipe on how to prepare Kenyan Kienyeji chicken. I hope you'll enjoy. Let's get started. I am going to introduce to you my ingredients for today. This is chicken, Kienyeji chicken, white pepper, cooking oil, garlic, chicken cubes, onions, ginger, tomatoes, celery, and salt. I am now going to cut my onions. I am also going to cut my celery. When you're preparing your chicken, you don't need too much celery. Actually, I'm just going to use that. And now I am going to blend celery, a little bit of onions, ginger, and garlic together. For the ginger, I'll just use this one piece. I'll also need to cut it. I will add a little bit of water so that I can blend them together. Here is my blended mixture. Now I am going to place my chicken here on the saucepan. I am going to pour this mixture on my chicken. I will add one piece of chicken cube. For this recipe, you need 2 chicken cubes. As for now, I will use 1 chicken cube as I boil the chicken. I will add white pepper. And here I have my boiled water, hot stock. I am going to pour it on the chicken. I am now going to boil my Kienyeji chicken until it's well cooked. Here is my boiled Kienyeji chicken. As you can see, it is ready. So now I am going to blend my tomatoes and add in a little bit of onions, and then I'll be frying the tomatoes until they become sticky on the saucepan, and then I'll bake my chicken for about 10 minutes on both sides, and then I'll come and add it into the fried tomatoes. Let's get started. Now I am going to blend these tomatoes and onions together. Here is my chicken. As you can see, I am going to bake it in the oven for 10 to 20 minutes on both sides. If you do not have an oven, you can fry this chicken on your saucepan until it turns golden brown, and then you can add it in your cooked tomatoes. This is my stock, the one I used to boil the chicken. And here is my blended tomatoes. I am going to add just a little bit of cooking oil. Now I am going to add onions. I am now going to add my blended tomatoes together with the onions. Now for this mixture, I am going to cook it until it starts to stick on the saucepan. That's when I will add my baked chicken. As you cook these tomatoes, you will have to keep on stirring them. Now my tomatoes are good to go, and I am going to add my baked chicken. Let me show you how it looks like. Here is my baked chicken. This is how it looks like. And now I am going to add it. I am now going to add my stock. I am going to add my last chicken cube. I will add salt. I will add just a little bit of white pepper. Just a little. And I am going to let this chicken cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Here is my chicken after cooking it for 10 minutes, and it's ready to be served. Here is my Kienyeji chicken, and the chicken tastes so good. You need to try out this recipe. It is wonderful. It is awesome. If you like my recipe, kindly do not forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.